Imagine you are looking for the perfect spot to eat lunch or relax. You probably have some preferences, right? Maybe a quiet park or a bustling cafe. Well, fish are quite similar in their preferences for where they spend their time, and understanding their choices can dramatically improve your fishing success. The direct answer is that fish do not have a universal preference for mud, sand, or gravel bottoms. Instead, their preference is highly specific to the individual fish species, their current life stage, the season, and what they are looking for, whether that is food, shelter, or a place to spawn. The reason for this varied preference lies in the unique characteristics each bottom type offers. Muddy bottoms are often rich in organic matter, supporting a dense population of worms, insect larvae, and other tiny creatures known as benthic invertebrates. These serve as a crucial food source for many bottom-feeding fish. However, mud can also mean lower oxygen levels, especially in warmer water. Sandy bottoms, while generally less food-rich, provide clear water, making them ideal for sight-feeding fish or those seeking warmer, sun-drenched areas. Many baitfish also burrow into sand for protection. Gravel and rocky bottoms are often a gold mine. They create countless nooks and crannies for small organisms to live, offer excellent ambush points for predators, and provide crucial structure for fish to hide from currents or predators. Many species also use gravel beds specifically for spawning, laying their eggs safely between the stones. To use this information effectively, start by researching the specific fish species you are targeting. Learn about their preferred diet, spawning habits, and typical habitat. Then, when you are on the water, use tools like a depth finder to identify different bottom compositions. Alternatively, you can often discern bottom type by feeling your line as your weight drags along the bottom. A soft, mushy feel indicates mud, a gritty sensation suggests sand, and a bumpy, dragging feel points to gravel or rock. Observing the shoreline geology can also offer clues about the underwater landscape. For instance, a rocky shoreline often extends into a rocky or gravel bottom underwater. Knowing these preferences is more than just trivia. It is about understanding the fish's world. This insight allows you to present your bait or lure more effectively, positioning it exactly where a fish is most likely to be feeding, resting, or hiding. For instance, targeting a catfish near a muddy flat or casting for a smallmouth bass over a rocky shoal greatly increases your chances. This deeper understanding moves you from simply casting randomly to actively hunting with purpose. Ultimately, recognizing how different bottom compositions cater to a fish's fundamental needs for food, safety, and reproduction empowers you as an angler. By connecting the aquatic landscape to the behavior of the fish you seek, you develop a more strategic approach, leading to more intentional casts and ultimately, more rewarding days on the water.